Good day, viewers. Good day, Sierra Leoneans, home and abroad. Today is another edition for NCOP Sierra Leone, National Campaign Unit for Progress. As you know, NCOP is trying to bring unity to all party members in the All People's Congress. And NCOP is a body that is affiliated with ASME, and also is there with the All People's Congress. And the motivation or the motive of NCOP is to bring more members to the All People's Congress. We are going to bring our members. We are going to take our members, but we are not going to give you seats in NCOP. You just stay in NCOP. I will give you a right seat in the All People's Congress, because that is our determination. And that is what we want to do, because we need progress. And since we are campaigning for progress is our determination. We want to make peace and unity among members. So NCOP members, that is our determination, and we need to fight for that, and we see the success of the All People's Congress. I want to say something. Since our former president, chairman and leader of the All People's Congress, we want to give you a good kudos for your hard work in this nation. When you took over power, Sierra Leone was the darkest country in the world. And today, you brought Sierra Leone to the light. And our economic growth was down in Sierra Leone. You took that to another level. That, President Nkrumah, you create a social environment for all people in the country. You never show differences within people in the country. You brought people together for social interaction. You are the most peaceful president ever we have in the history of Sierra Leone. You are the most peaceful president we have in the history of Sierra Leone. And you created more social environment for the citizens of this country. With your effort, NCOP is trying to complement your effort. And with that, NCOP is with you, since you are the chairman and leader of this party. And we know you will work hard to see the success of this party. The other person I want to compliment his effort, that is the Secretary General of the All People's Congress. That is Alhaji Usman Fode Yassane. With all intimidation, you are working harder to see the success of the All People's Congress. You have created a social environment for all members in the party. With your effort, NCOP want to compliment your effort for your great work you are doing for this party. And we know you will succeed in come 2023 election. That's why NCOP want to say a very big kudos to you. And NCOP is trying to extend a wish again today. Honorable Member of Parliament, the mayor, the councillors, the district chairman, and you are doing great. You are working great in the parliament. Although it is difficult for you people, but you are trying to work harder to see that your party will stand firm and to see that your people are encouraged in the country. All what you need to do, still go to your people in your constituency, in your district, in your ward. Talk to them. Encourage them. Give them words that they want to hear. Because we should not be silent, we should not be mute. They have to know something. They have to be educated about the All People's Congress. I hope if you do that fight, you will see the success very soon. There are people, if we cannot compliment their effort to this party today, when meaning NCOP is ungrateful to all these people. And NCOP is a national and international body that's seeking the interest of the people of the All People's Congress. That is why when you come to register the NCOP, we will take you directly to the party, because that is our motivation. We have to create a pathway to the All People's Congress. That is our determination, to see more members in the party. So, we have people which have passed leader today, which have created a social environment today for this nation. One, Dr. Shaka Stephen. All the historical buildings today we are proud of in this country. All what we are talking today in this country, you created that one for us. You made this country to be proud today. Dr. Shaka Stephen, you tried very hard to see the progress of All People's Congress. And today, all what we are proud of in Sierra Leone, you created it. All what we are talking about today, you created it. You created a lot of historical infrastructural development in this country, and up to now we are using it. our NCOP need to give you kudos for that. And we want to talk about Dr. Joseph Saidu Momoh, who succeeded Dr. Shaka Stevens. You worked tirelessly to see the success of Dr. Shaka Stevens, and you created more peaceful environment to this nation today. And you brought a lot of socialization in this country today. As our party, nationalism, and we have a democracy in our party. So you created all these things. So NCOP want to compliment your effort for what you have done. Though today you are not alive, but all what you created for us today is what today we are enjoying with it. So NCOP is giving you a compliment for that. There are other people we need to compliment their effort to this great NCOP we have today. NCOP have up to 14 coordinators in the country, and we have coordinators in the diaspora. So NCOP is trying to complement the effort of the chairman of NCOP and the chair lady in America. Then we have our coordinator, our diaspora coordinator. We are going to wish you your compliment and your effort and your work you are doing. So our NCOP member in the country, in Germany, in Turkey, in London, in America, in Liberia, in Guinea, in all over the world, we want to compliment your effort to stay in NCOP, because our motivation is we are going to campaign for progress. And you are in the diaspora, you are working very hard to see the success of All People's Congress. Because I know NCOP is not working in their name. They are working for the All People's Congress. And with that, NCOP is going to achieve their aims and goals. Because people in the diaspora, they are not sleeping. They are not relaxing. They are taking this party into their heart. And all members of NCOP, they have the All People's Congress in their heart. And they are working tirelessly to see that the All People's Congress will succeed in 2023 election. So with that, I wish you success, and we have to stay, because members of NCOP, we are uniting people in the All People's Congress. We are bringing everybody together. We are fighting to achieve one goal. We are fighting for this nation. We want to see the success of this nation. And NCOP is the recognized organization that is being formed. That is why our NCOP is trying to accomplish and complement the effort of the chairman of ASNEC for your effort to create all the social environment today and this platform to bring more people to the All People's Congress. So the chairman of ASNEC, I congratulate you for your effort, for your social environment you have created for NCOP, and for the social environment you have created for another organization. So with your effort, I know you will succeed. You will succeed in life, and you will succeed that you will see that the All People's Congress is back where they are from. So with that, I want to give all confidence to all members of the All People's Congress. We have to listen to our leaders. We have to follow the footsteps of our leaders, because our leaders are not sleeping. They are working tirelessly to see that everybody, every Sierra Leoneans and every members of the All People's Congress is being protected. So with that, I wish you success. This is from NCOP. And NCOP, our target is to create social environment and to bring progress to the All People's Congress. I thank you very much. Thank you all. NCOP wants to compliment the effort of the former Minister of All People's Congress and also the stakeholder of All People's Congress. We want to compliment the effort of the chairman NCOP, Mr. Manzo S. Kago, for his effort and great innovation to create this platform for all NCOP members.